You're looking for a place to get away from a bunch of people, some great South Dakota Prairie, peace and tranquility? We got it here on this piece of land with a cabin on it on Gobbler Lane in Smithwick, South Dakota. Hey everybody, I'm Tristan Emond with Mindful Living Realty. Let's go check this place out.
The town of Smithwick, South Dakota is located on the southeast side of the Black Hills, about 5.5 miles east of Highway 79. Here you'll see the county aerial showing the relation of the lot to Smithwick and the approximate lot lines. 28339 Gobbler Lane is 4.42 acres. That includes a 300 square foot cabin located on the property. Enjoy the majestic vistas of the South Dakota Prairie. Watch the stars outside on the patio. Have a garden and raise your animals. The cabin includes a fireplace, and 200 square feet of loft space. There's presently no sewer, water, or electricity hooked up to the property, but rural water is available. Limited covenants allow you to bring your modular and mobile homes, as well as building your barns and raising your livestock. The nearest services to Smithwick, South Dakota are in Hot Springs, South Dakota, about 25 minutes away. Here you'll find your groceries, hardware store, and hospital clinic. I created a drive-through video of Hot Springs so you can see the services and what you can expect in Hot Springs. You're also 20 minutes away from floating on Angostura Reservoir, 45 minutes away from Chadron, Nebraska, and just over an hour to downtown Rapid City. Enjoy the peace and tranquility of the South Dakota Prairie.